Hello, I'm Rutika Vadambe, he is Ashay Vadambe, and we are Pustakwale. Pustakwale is a mobile bookstore wherein we put up bookstalls in housing societies where people can come down, browse through physical books and then buy from us. During the pandemic, we realized that there are no nearby bookstores in many parts of Pune where people can browse through physical books. The most affected and the impacted ones during these times were the kids and the senior citizens due to mobility issues.
So there were no nearby bookstores or libraries in many parts of the cities. So if people cannot go to the bookstores, then we thought, why can't a bookstore come to the doorstep of most of the residents? But the major challenge was to carry so many books on a frequent basis to various housing societies. We were started looking for a vehicle partner which can carry so many books with us, and that's why we took a test drive with Isuzu way back in October. After following the Facebook page, we got to know about a recent contest which Isuzu were setting up, where once we submitted our proposal about the venture, the first prize winners could get an Isuzu D-Max cab. We submitted our proposal that, with all our work which we were doing in Pune city. The Isuzu team actually visited one of our setups which you all just saw, and then they were quite impressed with the work which we were doing, and we were chosen as the first prize winners across India. They not only just sponsored the vehicle, but they offered us the entire book truck design, and we were so happy to get the entire vehicle at our convenience. Since last 5 months in Pune, we have visited almost 100 setups with this Isuzu vehicle. We have met almost 3,000 families and sold almost 5,000 books. And we plan to scale up in different parts of the cities as well as rest of the Maharashtra in upcoming months. So we are very thankful to the Isuzu team for giving us this opportunity and encouraging us with their prize. So in the journey of last 5 months with Isuzu, we are happy with the overall customer service which we have got. Our philosophy of taking books to the doorstep of the people, so in a way we can contribute to the society, we are aligned with the same philosophy of Isuzu. Together, we are spreading this joy of reading across Pune city, and we intend to spread more joy across Pune and different parts of the society. We need to carry almost 3,000 books to suffice the needs of our customers. And even with the heavy weight, Isuzu vehicle gives us an extremely driving pleasure even we travel to the remotest parts of the city. We are happy to spread this joy of reading across various parts so that it helps us in our never stopping journey of spreading the joy of reading across Pune city. And we intend to expand into different parts of the state and eventually in the different parts of the country. And we are sure that Isuzu and Pustakwale as a team will drive this initiative.
As Pustakwale, we are trying to keep the art of physical book reading alive and promote the reading culture in mobile bookstores across the other parts of India, starting with Mumbai.
Isuzu
Never stop.